my channel, how's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. Today I've got another unboxing for you, and it is Look Fantastic. Now, for those of you that have been here before, you might be a bit confused because I said last month was my last Look Fantastic box, and I thought it was because my mum bought me a 6-month subscription for my birthday in November. However, I cancelled that last month, but apparently I didn't cancel it in time. So Look Fantastic have put me onto another 6-month subscription, which I am not going to be doing. But so this is the last box that I will be getting from Look Fantastic. Yeah, they just put me onto another rolling contract, which I think is shocking. So I'm hoping it's a really good box because I really didn't have the money to pay for this month, but I've got it now. So we're going to do it. It's a really pretty box. Look how gorgeous that colour is. That is so pretty. I love like corals and oranges. So pretty. So I'm happy with that. But let's see. For those of you that don't know, Look Fantastic is a monthly beauty box. It's £15 a month. And you can get it cheaper if you do subscriptions. Like I did a 6-month one where I think Mum ended up paying like £13.75 for 6 months for me, which was really good value because you do get a copy of a magazine in it as well. However, like I said, they did literally just, I cancelled it last month, but I obviously didn't do it in time, and it auto-renewed. And rather than auto-renewing onto a rolling contract, which is what I thought it would do, it auto-renewed onto another 6 months. So that's not happening. Before anybody asks, this little beauty is from Jawline Jewellery. I'll link it down below. The eye does close. It's so cute. I thought I would just link that because it's so cute and I know someone's going to ask. So what's our quote this month? Confidence is the ultimate shield. Very much agree with that. I do love this whole orange and coral thing. You get a beauty book which tells you all about what's inside, but I won't look at that yet. I've seen no spoilers. Claire got her box and I was so tempted to watch, especially because I didn't think I was getting one. And then I got the email saying it was coming and I was like, oh, I'm glad I didn't watch now because I like to be surprised. So you get a copy of Elle magazine. This is a travel size. This is worth £4.99, so it's really good value when you take this off of the price of the box as well. If you don't read Elle magazine, then you might not like it, but I think this is really nice to have. So let's have a look. I do always get really excited because Look Fantastic box is always really heavy, but then I remember that there's a big magazine in it. So let's have a look. There we go. Does it look good? Ooh. Okay. First thing I've got is an AVANT, yeah, hyaluronic. I literally can't read that because it's of the font. That's making me all confused. Algin retinol palmitate. There's loads of words I don't know. 8-hour retexturizing and antioxidizing hyaluronic facial serum. That sounds amazing. I absolutely love hyaluronic acid. So let's have a little look about this. I'll do a spoiler. Next month, sneak peek, is a bioeffect serum worth £25. I always forget to do the spoilers and people always ask me, and I've normally thrown this away by them. So we've got, I'm assuming this is a sample size, but a full size one is worth £89, which is crazy. This is 30 ml, so it is a good size sample. Rediscover skin's youth with intensive serum that protects against external aggressors while addressing signs of aging. And it says hyaluronic acid moisturizes the skin, plumping the complexion, while lipoic acid has antioxidant properties that improves the skin's texture. That sounds awesome. I'm very excited to try that. Next up, we've got something by Mellow. I've had a couple of Mellow lipsticks, I think, and I've had a Mellow highlighter, and I love them all, so I'm very excited for this. This looks like, are you a lip liner or an eyebrow pencil? Oh, it's a lip liner and it's called Aria. One of my little girls is called Aria. It looks like a beautiful colour. Really lovely nude. Let's have a look. Where is that in here? Or have I missed it? This is full size and this is worth £10.50. Define your lips with soft and natural nude gel lip pencil. So for a less defined finish, colour in the lips and then buff using a brush. That's really lovely. Very excited for that. You're doing good so far, look fantastic. What are you? Oh, we've got something from Polar. Oh, I love Polar. This is such a nice brand. They do icy something like an eye roller that you put under. Oh, and I just love that. This is £17.50. I don't know if this is full size. I don't think it is. This is a Northern Light cream. Reveal a radiant flawless complexion with Polar's Northern Light Soothing Cream. Harnessing the powers of Siberian olive, a shrub rich in 108 bioactive elements, high vitamin C, and it's got berry extracts, creamy formula boosting radiance, encourages regeneration of cells. That sounds amazing. Ooh, it's a pretty colour as well. It's like apricot colour. So a little... Oh, I've just put it on my nose. Whoops. Oh, that smells really nice. And that's just... It's not hand cream, obviously, but I've got makeup on, so I'm not going to put it on my face. That is lovely. 3 out of 3 so far. Good job. They don't give a shit if I think it's a good job. Next up, we've got something that is Skin Chemist. And I do really like Skin Chemist, but this says rose. And I hate rose, but I'm assuming this isn't going to be too rosy because it's just an eye patch. An eye under eye mask. I love these. They're so nice for like depuffing your under eyes. I've got loads of them from different brands, not any one specific. Let's see what it says here. Hydrate and refresh the delicate under eye area with these hydrogel eye patches enriched with ultra hydrating hyaluronic acid, powerful antioxidants. They work to lift, tone and brighten under eyes to a wide awake finish, perfectly tired eye area. If you've used these, let me know if they smell of rose. If they do smell of rose, I will put them in a giveaway. If they don't smell of rose, then I'm going to use them. They might just be rose because of the colour, because they do look pink, but we'll see. So that could be awesome. Another. Okay. We've got a Mine Tan Invisible Colour. This is a Gradual Tan Colour Extender. Where are you? I've never heard of this brand. £5.99. I'm assuming, again, this is sample size. This is, how big are you? 30ml, so it's another good size. Give skin a gorgeous glow with the Gradual Tanning Lotion, a natural and non-sticky formula. The lotion builds up naturally looking glowing colour. Rich in naturally derived tanning agents, multivitamins and aloe vera. This self-tan moisturiser extends the life of your tan and soothes dry skin. So that sounds really nice. It's pretty packaging. It's got like a bit of a holographicness to the text, which is nice. So I'll definitely give that a go. I have just started to fake tan for the summer. Not here, just on my legs, because I'm a wimp and no dirty in my face. Next up, we've got something from Wella, and it is a Nutri Enrich with Goji Berry Deep Nourishing Mask. This is a hair mask. I'm always down for a hair mask because my hair is dry as balls. Let's have a look. £2.78. Breathe life into dry damaged locks with ultra nourishing formula that gives a brand new lease of life, enriched with Wella's Nutri Enriched Blend Complex. This deep conditioning mask contains vitamin E to hydrate each individual strand. That sounds nice. You put it on your hair, leave it on for 5 minutes, and then rinse it off. But if you have super dry hair, you can leave it on for an hour for like an intense conditioner. I think this is probably my favourite Look Fantastic box I've ever got, to be honest, despite the fact I didn't order it. I think it's lovely. The only thing I want to know is, do these smell of rose? Just tell me. But I think that was lovely. A really, really nice box. And I'm obsessed with the pink and the orange. So overall, very, very good. If you've had this box, let me know what you think. As I said, I am cutting back on boxes. So I will be dipping back in and out as I can afford it. But obviously with baby coming, money needs to go on the baby. So yeah, if you like these kind of videos, please do give this one a big thumbs up. You should definitely subscribe to my channel for more fun stuff to come. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all very, very soon. Bye guys.